What's up, my people? Flesh and Blood Europe Units here with another episode of Let's Open Some Packs. Break a box of Flesh and Blood Uprising, the 7th set of Flesh and Blood. Most people say the most beautiful set ever been made since the beginning. I can't deny that. So let's get it on. Camera, don't play with me. So the calling in Utrecht in Netherlands just ended with a win for 5. And people already are talking about banning cards, and I don't know, is fate that overpowered? Can't we just beat it? Who knows? I'm just going through the first Majestic. Here we go. Where is it? Camera. Tome of Firebrand. I love tomes. Drawing cards. These books are cool. I like them. Beep, beep. Where's the camera? What? There. Come on. He's not finding it. There it is. Here we go. So, where's the problem? The face? So, you got it now? Here we go. What the heck is wrong with this camera right now? Come on. Come on. Here it is. Camera. Camera. Hello. All right. He will find it. Blowing mirage. Hello? What's wrong? Camera. Hello. Here I am. Here I am. Come on. Come on. Find the face. Find the head. There it is. There it is. You got it. So sorry for that. I hope it doesn't happen the whole time now. So, yeah, as I was saying, Faye won it. And that's the whole truth. And we got a Ash token cold foil. Here we go. For our first cold foil. I hope it won't be the last one. I want some legendaries. I want some... No, I don't want the marbles. I don't care about the marbles anymore, because I have the ones I wanted. And actually, I'm looking for the legendaries. What did I skip? What did I skip? 2 rares. And 1 of the rainbow foils. Where's the rainbow foil? The rainbow foil over there. Here we go. Yeah. And I didn't manage to get enough points to be qualified for nationals because work, and I didn't have the time to go to the road to nationals this time, but it's okay. Let's other people win this year. Not that I won last year, but I'm better than ever. That's what I tell myself. Not know if it's the truth, but who cares? You maybe, I don't. So Uprising is kind of in the middle. Next Majestic, Tome of Duplicity. And people already are talking about the Dynasty, the next set, and what will be there. And yeah, I'm still trying to build decks around the new cards and find out which Hero is actually my favorite from new ones. I kind of like them all, but I don't know. I think Icelander is the one I played most lately. And Romai, why not? I'm still the guy who is into prisms, so that's why I will stay with that for now, till Prism gets Living Legend one day. Prism, I won't leave you. Yeah. Come on. Nothing. And the market, yeah. Nothing special there. There is no card that is getting too expensive right now or shooting up in the sky or something. It's kind of stable, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. I say that's the time to go and buy cards. And good time for collectors. If you're into getting the full collection of something, and if you're interested in having all the cards or set of some Marvel card that you like to play, why not? Go for it. Invoke, Optimi, Next Majestic, Draconic, and the Rope. Is that 2 Phoenix Flames? 2 Phoenix Flames. All right. So I hope there is some juice in this box. Come on. Let's see what we get. Channel Blake expands for the Next Majestic, and then the common in foil, and Phoenix Flame. Yeah, I saw a Rudy opening one box. Was it yesterday? Oh, Coronet Peak in rainbow foil. Unfortunately, I have it already in cold foil. So, still beautiful. Maybe I'm gonna sell the cold foil and keep the rainbow foil. I don't know. Let's see. And yeah, he opened one. There was only a rainbow foil legendary. It was not bad at all, but there was no cold foil. And yeah, as I said, I don't know if he skipped it because he were going fast through the cards like I did right now and just skipped the Majestic, or there really was none. Who knows? So Corona Peak legendary rainbow foil for now. And Ash Wing. Ash Wing. Swing your ash. Your Ash Wing. In cold foil. And in case you don't know this card, his name is Encase. And that's it for now. We have 5 packs to go. Let's see what we can get. If we can get something more, who knows? Cinch, rainbow foil, and some other cards for my collection, for my decks to build around. Ashwing, Ether Ashwing. So what you guys want to see in the next set coming? Most people say they want to see some Necromancer. I personally want to see Druid. Give me some Druid. Give me some life gain. Give me some life gain. I want to have 100 lives at the end of my game. Hypothermia and Inflame in full art. Alright, not bad. I can live with that. Box, the last one, probably not gonna be something, but who knows, maybe we're gonna have some last pack mojo. Nope. Okay. Freezing Point and Rolling Renegade. And I think there won't be anything else. No, it's not. That's it for now, people. See you. Thank you for watching. We had a Corona peak. We had a full art in flame. We got the Ether Ashwing. And we have how many Majestics? 1, 2, 1 in a Rainbow 4, 3, other 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Majestics. Not bad. See you around. Bye bye.